So the idea of the work started for a project I was doing here, and I realized that once you're creating a website, it's not just a website. Like if you're making a web application, you're using lots of content delivery networks and lots of parsers and API fetches with so many different services. That's been actually under control because recently, like we have a technology called edge technology that's sending the data towards you since the closest server available. Like if you're opening a website that's hosted in Japan, you're not taking all of the data from Japan. So you're getting the data from, like, for instance, from Montreal. That's a server that uses like stores at the websites, take the data and send it. So the website is going to be faster, and the cost is going to be less for the environment because it's not traveling all the way. But since when I was doing that project, I realized there are so many data fetches and parsing data between different services, and all of them had a portion of using energy and electricity. So this came to my mind that probably the online technologies in the internet is not that green that we think. So I started to making a website with an AI backend to do something very simple to so the user clicks, it generates a word in ChatGPT and in the website actually, and it sends it to the software. A point cloud, a 2D pattern is generated. That 2D pattern is converted into a 3D point cloud, and it's a very simple process. That's the same thing that we do on all of the prompts that we send, like generating something. So the whole process was useless. The work was pretty much inspired by Arthur Ganson of the quote entitled "The Machine with Oil." That the whole idea of the machine was just oiling itself or not doing anything, but just oiling itself to be able to oil itself again. And that the work was constantly calculating all of the parses and everything was sent because sometimes based on the time that a prompt is taking for generating a new word, the amount of consumption could be more or less. So it was calculating this aspect as well.